Good morning, everyone. I'm coming to you today from Hanging Rock State Park again. I'm just going to do a little short hike today, about 5 miles or so. I'm going to hike from here at the lake to the very top, up there, that way, to the observation tower. Alright, so I'm leaving here at the lake. This beautiful October morning. I think it was 54 degrees. It's not cold, but it's not hot either, which is a perfect morning for hiking, to me. There's a chance of rain today, actually, which is surprising. We haven't had rain in almost 2 months, but it's going to be light rain. If it does, it'll be alright. I've got rain gear. I wanted to get out in the woods. Next weekend, I will have a video that I'll make. I'm going on a 3-day shakedown hike to go section hike from Hughes Gap to US 19 on the actual Appalachian Trail. So that'll be fun. A little bit of a workout going over Roan Mountain, but it'll be.
That means you're extra.
Sun's coming up, shining through the trees. Beautiful. Lighting up all the leaves. Hello everybody. I've started my ascent to Moore's Knob. Yeah. Came up that, and now there's that. But I've done this numerous times, and we'll just keep on trucking. My pack's a little heavier than I normally have it. I think I have everything except for food in it that I will be taking. Everything but food. So it's probably right at 20 pounds. Water, instead of carrying it in the pack, I'll give a shout out to Justin's UL on Etsy. This little 1 liter smart water bottle holder, awesome. Easy, nice guy to work with. I never actually talked to him because the transaction was very smooth. He sells out quick, so you may have to keep checking back to his Etsy page. But well worth the very little bit of money it cost. I've made it to the top of the ridge. I'm not to the summit quite yet, but I've started to get some beautiful views. to the lookout tower on top of Moore's Knob. It's one of my favorite places in this park. Sorry about the sun. A little windy up here. And cold. Way colder than it was at the bottom. Look at the view. Absolutely beautiful this morning. Come back down here in a minute. Let's go to the top of the lookout tower. Look. It's inside the lookout tower. Pretty cool. Hello everybody. I am on the way back down. Just a lot of steps. Steps. Tons of them. The ones I came up a couple weeks ago. Did the trail backwards this time. So now I get to go down all the steps, which is fun. It's a good little hike. I spent some time at the top. Chilling, laying around, it was quiet, nobody in the world was up there. Wandered around a little bit up there, found some cool stuff. Alright everyone, that pretty much wraps it up. I am back at the lake. You see here through the trees. Walking down the boardwalk. Pretty good little hike today. I beat the rain, which is a good thing. I didn't really want to hike in the rain today, but I was ready to if it did. I hope everybody had a great weekend. And I look forward to my video next weekend when I'm going to do a 3-day shakedown up in the mountains.